What's up, everybody? Yes, I finally did it. I did it. I invested into the legendary Shure SM7B microphone. Now, this microphone is like the Rolls Royce of microphones. It is said to be used by Michael Jackson in his Thriller album when he recorded that album. It's used by some of the big time podcasters, streamers, and those on YouTube. So in this video, I'm just going to do an unboxing of it. Just going to show you what it looks like. And I'm just really pumped, really excited to even get a chance to use it. So let's jump right into it. Yo, I finally got my hands on one, and I'm finally about to see what this Shure SM7B legendary microphone looks like. I'm about to unbox this joker. Got my cool box cutter that I'm about to use. That's very sharp. Move that out the way. Yeah, we got some literature in here first, y'all. Got the limited warranty. What else we got? We've got the user guide. That'll come in handy. And they also sent, that's upside down. They also sent this sticker. Don't know what I'm gonna use it for. Hey, maybe I'll frame it and put it on the wall. We'll see. That out the way, and let's see if we can get her open. Bam! There she is. The legendary Shure SM7B. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Check this out. Boy, that is one nice microphone. Pretty heavy too. Feels really good. Nice and sturdy. Yeah, that looks really nice. Can't wait to start using it, setting it up. That'll be another video in another time. This is one awesome microphone. Nice and heavy and feels really good and really professional. And it's an XLR cable connection, so it's not a USB mic, so you're going to need a preamp. Yep, that mic looks really good. See what else is in here. No. Maybe I'll take the styrofoam out. Yeah, there we go. Let's see, what else do we got in the box, guys? awesome. Got another wind muff to help with the plosives. Let's see, what else do we have here? We got something in the bag here. That just looks like those are some Velcro, 3M Velcro strips. And what else do we got? Oh, we have another, looks like we got a thread screw here to connect the mic with. Pretty awesome. There we go.